Good evening. Today's Squardle, 23rd of April. Um, for those of you who may never seen a Squardle before, I'll talk through it as we're going along. You can only, you can only fit in words as you're going down these. So on this one, I could only do the word for that one, and for that one, I couldn't do this one. We've got nothing on here at the moment. There is an E on that word. There is an N by there or by there. There's an E either there or there, and there's an E across there. As there's an E going down and one going across, it could end with an E. But anyway, we're on these middle words now. As it might be an E, but there we'll do a 5-letter word with an E in it. Erect, why not? Right, so we've got an R, we've got an E, we've got the E in the right place, but there. There's an E and there's a T in this word. It could end in a E. Could start with a T, so we'll put in there. And okay, so that's going to be these, THESE. That's going to be something similar. That's going to be, I guess that could be creep, cream. Let's try creep. No. Now this is going to have an N by there possibly, or definitely is going to have an N by there. It's going to have an E in it, which isn't by there. Oh, right, that's probably the E. So an N is word going down ending in an N, E, vine. Alright, so we've got INE, we've got the H by there, which we already knew, the R by there, which we already knew, the T by there, so we know this is going to be these. And, there's an S by there as well. So that's ending ESE as well. We're doing this word by here now, which is CRE. It wasn't creep. Right, we'll try cream. Need a word going across here, or like these. I was going to say cheese, but it can't be cheese. There's two E's in it. Let's try cream. Can't really think of anything at the moment. No. So going down here, we've got a word INE. It's not vine. So it can't be wine, it can't be shine. It could be urine, which would be, oh no, it can't be urine because of that R. Because I think if it was urine, it could have been court going across here, but it can't be court because there's no R in it. It's not wine. Oxine, is that a word? Or opine? Opine a word? I think it is. Oh, right, the O's in the right place, but it's not opine. Which, I'm not, I can't really think of a word now for that. And we're now doing this word across here. And I'm a little bit stuck looking at that word as well. That could be clout or kraut. No, it can't be. That could be clout. That could be exile. It could be exile. No, I think exile is a word. I can't think of anything else. It wasn't cream. I guess that one could be obese along the bottom. Obese, it is. It is obese, but I can't think of a word that fits in there. Credo, cremo, crepo, credo, crevo, is creed a word? Creed, I haven't got a clue what that word means. Really haven't. I'm guessing that, is that oxine a word? Right, let's put in exile, see if that's the right. Right, exile is right. That gives us 3 guesses onto, we got this word here. I can think of clout, shoot, clost. Alright, clout. That's about the only thing I can think of at the moment. Right, clout is right. Just got this word left. Oxine? Is oxine a word? Oxine isn't a word. Owine? Is that a word? No. Odine? Oops, spelled it wrong. Odine. Not a word. We've done opine. Opine wasn't a word. Ovine. Ovine. Ovine is a word. I haven't even got a clue what it means. Credo, I don't know what credo means. I guess it's something to do with credence or something, or giving credit where credit's deserved. Ovine, I'm guessing is it something to do with cows? Or is that bovine? That would be bovine, actually. Anyway, that's today's Squardle. Sorry, I rubbed it on. Today's Squardle, done 8 minutes. 2 guesses left, and I didn't even know what 2 of the words mean. So I'm not sure how I managed to do that, but there you go. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like. Thank you very much. Good night.